Dear friends, you are watching the Trading Algorithms channel. My name is Vladislav Shevchenko, and you will learn in this video how useful our developments are and what knowledge level is required for using them in market and trading analysis. First of all, it makes sense to remind you that trading puts your trading capital at risk, and you should understand and accept these risks when making trading decisions. Do not trade on money you need for living or which you borrowed, since it will be an additional psychological stress when you make trading decisions. Please watch this video till the end, since I will give important information for all traders after the indicator review. So what experience do you need in order to use our indicators? In case you're not acquainted with charts and instrument to the left on the slide and also a majority of terms to the right, most probably it will be difficult for you to apply indicators in your trading properly and knowingly. What to do in this case? You should gain relevant knowledge about price formation and mechanics of market movements. You can do it by yourself using open sources or through getting access to trading algorithms training webinars. The first way will not require investments apart from free time and internet access. Many people say that the quality of materials on the internet is very low, but it is not quite true. There is a lot of acceptable quality information on the internet, but the problem is that it is spread across hundreds of websites and you need to collect it selectively and filter it out. This is the main difficulty, since a novice trader just doesn't know what information is proper and of high quality and what is not. If you gain access to our webinars, you will save your time on searching and filtering out information on the internet and will be able to use this knowledge for developing your own strategies and indicators or for using our developments. I will give you more details about these materials in the next video. That is why subscribe and hit the bell under this video in order not to miss the next one. In the light of 9-year experience in analyzing stock exchange trades, time and sales, order book, footprint, cluster charts, and many other things, we developed our own unique market analysis instruments based on our strategies and trading patterns. I came to a conclusion in 2018 that it was possible to read the intraday order flow and identify trading patterns efficiently through automating my own ideas and turning them into a code. For the past 3 years, we have developed more than 20 various indicators which cover all kinds of goals when analyzing the market. Let's review these goals. One of the simplest and most convenient ways of trading is trading bounces and breakouts of support and resistance levels. Volume analysis opens a lot of opportunities to find levels to which the price reacts, and these levels are not available for a majority of traders, since some of them do not use volume analysis at all and are not aware of these opportunities, while others do not have access to our indicators. Of course, this is a joke because some traders already have access. Now you see indicators which perfectly cope with this task both during the day and during longer time periods. Bid-ask disbalance. This indicator displays places in a chart with a significant predominance of an aggressive buyer or seller. They are highlighted with green and red color respectively. You can change the strength of disbalance and the period of analyzed candles in the settings. You can find a playlist with reviews of this indicator in the description to this video. It is a new indicator which doesn't have a description yet. It is swing buy-sell levels. Its instruction will be coming soon in the description. Many traders analyze the so-called market waves. We look for significant levels in such waves. In the chart they are displayed in red. You can filter out the level strength in the settings. Monitor the price reaction to these levels and remember that the first test is always the most interesting one. Volatility indicator automatically builds volatility channels. It forms support and resistance levels. You can look for trades towards a bounce at volatility border tests. The dashed line of the volatility border is orange on this slide. One more indicator is called IAAM, which stands for Intraday Analysis Market. It is one of the first indicators in our collection, and it was developed for several purposes. One of them is building levels in candles in which a significant market activity emerges. It is always interesting to analyze such levels. Use the buyer and seller filters separately to understand the current situation in more detail. This example shows you how the seller level breakout results in a price reversal with a test of this level. The second important goal of indicators is to provide market entry points. Now I'll show you some of such indicators. The volatility indicator second pattern is a ready-made pattern with arrows which point to signals. If the price tried to exceed expected volatility and the movement didn't continue after that, the indicator will send a signal about it in the form of an arrow. Quite often such signal result in a reversal or movement halt. The more often volatility channel changes, the more signals you receive. One of the most popular and topical indicators among our subscribers is the footprint patterns indicator. It automatically performs cluster analysis and informs the trader about the price change dynamics at the current moment. One of the patterns are signal arrows, which show signs of a trend beginning or an effort to reverse the price into correction. Up and down arrows should be supported by activity of aggressive buyers for an up signal or sellers for a down signal. This increases the probability of movement continuation towards the signal. One more important task of a trader is to limit risks while trading. Many traders do not quite understand where they should post a stop loss to make it safe, but at the same time not too big. This is the third goal of some of our indicators. One of the volatility indicator functions is a hint to where to limit losses, since the probability that the price will pass additional points beyond the volatility borders is not too high. You can also post take profits at opposite volatility borders. For example, after you sold, you can post a stop loss beyond the upper border of the current volatility, while a take profit at one of the lower borders of expected volatility. One more way to find a proper point to exit from a position is a signal from the IAM indicator. As I already said, certain settings of this indicator will allow displaying candles in which high trading activity emerges. Such candles often can be climax and reversal ones. That is why you can close a trade with a profit when you see a candle of this type. Or vice versa, if the price moves against you, but you see the IAM indicator signal, you can expect the price reversal towards you. Perhaps the most undervalued factor in trading is time factor. Most probably not many traders understand when they should start looking for an entry point. However, if you have a trading strategy, you will definitely receive a signal, but it is not a guarantee that a good market movement will start after that. That is why the fourth goal was the search of a good time for market entry. The average volatility indicator shows places where volatility shrinks, and since the market has a cyclic nature, it makes sense to expect a splash of volatility after every shrinkage. If you see an up arrow after a decrease, it means that you can start looking for a trade entry signal, since you will be able to enter just before the beginning of a trend movement with great probability. The second indicator which will help you in it is volatility channel histogram. This indicator measures and compares the width of expected channel volatility and displays the result in the form of a histogram. You will clearly see when a channel strongly shrinks. It is logical to expect price acceleration after such a shrinkage, and this provides good opportunities for intraday traders. Most probably, you have your own secrets of how to look for levels, entry points, places for posting stop losses and take profits, and also you know when you need to start acting. If not, our indicators will definitely help you in solving these tasks and in making the trading process easier and automated. All these indicators will soon become available in the trading algorithms package. You can already find settings instructions to some of them on our channel. The rest of instructions will become available. Now you can test all indicators during 14 days just for several dollars. Here's the information I told you about at the beginning of the video. Everybody who acquires the indicator package will get a free access to all webinars, which I will tell you about in the next video. Follow the link to our Telegram board or send us emails to the address specified in the description to this video. Ask for this indicator package, ask questions, we will be glad to answer them. I have prepared an instruction to those traders who encountered me and this channel for the first time on how to start working after acquisition of a test period. You can save the screen, press the pause button, and read it step by step, how and what to do. You see our contacts on this slide. The website is under reconstruction at this moment, but it will be launched very soon with a new design, new functions, and detailed descriptions. Thanks to everyone who watched this video till the end. Do not forget to press the like or dislike button and make comments. It will help us a lot to become more popular and develop more useful indicators for you. See you in the next video.